Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the Citylife 17QT plastic storage bins, the perfect solution for organizing your tools, crafts, and crayons with ease. These rectangular, clear white bins boast a modern style and are designed with organization in mind, featuring 6 detachable tall inserts that allow you to separate items into multiple sections, preventing them from mixing up. The high transparency of these bins not only keeps your space looking neat and clean but also lets you quickly identify the contents stored inside. Thanks to their stackable and nestable design, these bins offer extra stability with grooved lids, and when you need more space, simply remove the inserts to nest them inside one another. Made from premium, durable, and thicker PP5 plastic, these bins are built to last a lifetime, so you won't have to worry about chipping or wear and tear. With dimensions of 15.94 inches in length, 11.61 inches in width, and 7.28 inches in height, these 17-quart storage bins are the ultimate choice for anyone looking to bring order to their workspace. So, whether you're sorting screws, nuts, washers, or crafting supplies, the Citylife storage bins are your go-to solution for a clutter-free environment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.